How can Telegram automatically send automatic replies to users even when we're not online? To do this, first we open Telegram. Then through the settings menu, we'll go to the section where we are going to enable the automatic reply feature. Select the settings option, then come to this section and choose Telegram Business, provided that you have already activated Telegram Premium. After reaching this section, you should select this option in order to automatically reply to users who send you messages. This setting allows you to ensure that users receive a response even when you are not available. In this section, you can add a text to it. Well, once you've enabled this option, you click on it and enter the text you want to be sent as an automatic reply to users when you're not online. For example, we'll write, "We'll reply soon," okay? Now, whenever a user sends you a message while you're offline, this reply will be sent to them automatically.